Hello friends, welcome back to Miniature Diecast. Today, we're unboxing an absolute classic, the Hot Wheels 83 Chevy Silverado in its stunning blue and white design. This miniature pickup packs a ton of details, and we're going to take a closer look at everything, from the paint job to the wheels. Hot Wheels never disappoints when it comes to striking packaging. The blister pack design makes it easy to admire the car while keeping it protected. Let's unbox. Built for power, style and nostalgia, this Hot Wheels 83 Chevy Silverado in its bold blue and white stripe design embodies American pickup legacy. This miniature masterpiece pays tribute to an era when trucks meant business both on and off the road. The first impression of this casting paint job looks really nice, with this blue and white combination. Body is metal made and interior and chassis is made of plastic. The front grille here is chrome finish, which is really nice. I hope they just painted some kind of paint job on the headlights. Same as well in this side with white and blue paint combination. On rear side, you can see tail light details and Chevrolet branding. Exhaust details also visible. From the above, you can see some paint job issues are there. But one thing I really like is the boxy design of this pickup truck. Now let's look at the plastic-made chassis, all in chrome finish. It has some nice details along with exhaust pipes. Personally, I don't like chrome finish chassis. It suppresses most of the details. Now let's talk about these wheels. Absolutely matching with this casting. I really like this 5-spoke rim design. Actually, this casting is little heavy comparing to other Hot Wheels. Now let's do a roll test. This kind of heavier casting rolls nice compared to the lighter ones because of the weight factor. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit the like button and subscribe for more diecast car reviews. Let me know in the comments which Hot Wheels model you want to see next.